What if Jarvis actually existed? So, I built my own. Meet Brahma AI, an open source AI assistant that actually gets work done. Watch it organize an entire messy downloads folder in seconds. Need a presentation? Just describe the topic and Brahma creates a complete PowerPoint automatically. It can even analyze what your camera sees and understand the world around it in real time.
The vision module has been activated. I am currently analyzing your camera feed. I can see a young person wearing black over-ear headphones and a black t-shirt indoors, sir. The background consists of a pale yellow wall with various objects. Do you need any further assistance, sir?
And this is where it gets interesting. Give it one command and it'll perform multiple desktop actions completely on its own. It can read your screen, understand what's displayed.
The screen displays the NDTV news homepage, prominently featuring news about Microsoft's AI-led job cuts, sir.
The real life? Jarvis, stick with me till the end and you'll have this app on device 2 for free. The next truly worthy feature is the Brahma Home Connect. This ends the need of Alexa. Let me show a demo. I asked it to turn fan off and on.
Okay, the room fan is now on.
As you saw, it can beautifully control devices. This is the panel to add, configure, and remove devices. As of now, only Adamberg and TP-Link Casa devices are configured. Now, next one is the gesture control. Imagine controlling your whole computer just by using your hand movements. You can see the live demo. To start, just click on camera card on left sidebar. It will use your camera and media pipe to feed. Then mirror the movements to control your mouse. The gestures to be used are pinch for click and move hand for mouse movement. It has several more features too. It can find weather.
The weather in Mumbai today is fetching report. I'm sorry.
Make spreadsheets too. You can see and demo on screen of it making spreadsheets.
I've created a spreadsheet for you with 2 worksheets, overview and economy, including data for India and its neighboring countries. It should be open for you now.
Mobile Connect. Now you can connect your mobile and Brahma AI. You won't even be required to download any apps. To do so, head over to Mobile Connect and scan from the phone. Make sure both your devices are on same network. Once scanned, it will show a local network web.
Hello, how can I help you?
Open it. Now you can send messages from your mobile to Brahma AI. Brahma also has a strong memory. It will remember chat and store chat history too. Under the hood, Brahma is built using Python and a modular architecture. Every major capability, desktop automation, vision, website generation, smart home control, and mobile integration exists as its own independent module. This allows me to keep expanding the assistant without rebuilding the entire application every time I add a new feature. Now let's continue to download it. First, you'll have to go to the website of Brahma, link in description. Then log in or sign up with your Google account or email and password. On the home screen, click on Download. It will lead you to GitHub. In GitHub, download the zip. Now, in File Explorer, extract the zip and run Brahma_start as administrator. This will download modules required and run the app. Once inside the app, you will need Gemini API. To get Gemini API, search Google AI Studio on Chrome and create a new key, name it anything, and select default account for Firebase and create. Then paste it in the app and you're good to go. You can also put Open Router key if you require. Thanks for watching.